So welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Right now all the festivals are over. Bhai Phota, Durga Pujo, everything is over. Definitely something is coming. The winter festival is coming, but right now we need to give a rest to our stomach because already we had lots of spicy food, yummy food. So right now, keeping that in mind, I'm going to create a recipe. That is the recipe of Loita Mach, Bombay duck. So the name of the recipe is Shile Bata Loita Bharta. So that is another recipe for the series of Bata Makha and Bharta. So right now our taste bud is changed. We want something good, at the same time we have in mind that we have to have a normal food as well. So why don't you try this Shile Bata Loita Bharta. If you, by the way, if you don't have Shile Nora or Shile Bata, then you can use the mixie as well, but I have that Shile Nora. If you are mixing this in Shile Nora, there will be a different taste because lots of pressure and obviously little bit of workout with hand as well, because you have to do this thing. So the exercise is there also, but if you have problem, you can definitely try this recipe with mixer as well. So what you are waiting for? Just try this recipe. It's not very rich, definitely it's good with taste bud. You have to little adjust with the taste bud little bit, and then you can go back to the proper diet and proper and definitely it's a homemade food, so it will be better, good for health. So just go to the recipe and try this unique recipe of Bangladesh. So these are Loita Mach or Bombay duck. So I don't know why it's called Bombay duck, no similarity of duck, I don't know, apart from this face or something like that. So in this fish we never use this head, we have to discard that. So I will clean that fish and then I will get back to you. So I have to remove the head portion, so you cannot eat that. So I have to remove that. Let's start with the Loita or Bombay duck. So I remove the head, I don't need it, and so I'm done with this. And what else I'm using in this recipe, let me show you. Very few ingredients. First of all, this is mustard oil, and this is, you can see, the sliced onion. This is shukno lanka, dried red chili. I'm using only one. If you want, you can add more. And this is turmeric, everybody knows that. Haldi. Oh, this is the big lesun, and if you don't have the big one, you can use two. And this is zira, cumin, and this is kalo jeera. And for salt, I'm using the rock salt over here, that will enhance the taste. If you don't have, you can use the normal salt. So let's start how to prepare it. I have to marinate the fish with turmeric and salt. So let's start. Gai hulud. Isn't it fun? So it is gai hulud, you know. And then kata ghai nune chite. So the salt, very careful because rock salt is it's too much salty, so don't add too much salt, because during the cooking I will add, if required, I will add little bit of salt. So gai hulud and kata ghai nune chite is done. I'll leave it for 5 minutes maximum, and then I'll start frying in mustard oil. Heat the pan, and I already added mustard oil. So I will fry this fish and I will then keep it aside carefully. I am preparing this in non-stick fry pan. It's better actually. So that's it. I have to fry it. Let me show you. The stinky flavor or the smell is gone. The raw smell is gone, and it's already fried. Here I have to stop the cooking, otherwise it will be a mushy. So I have to stop it. And I will keep aside, and in this oil I will add definitely little bit of oil, and in this oil I will fry rest of the thing that I will show you. I just add little bit of oil, mustard oil. So I will add rest of the ingredient. First I will add the onion, and then this lasun or garlic. Don't chop it, the taste will change, so you have to fry it intact. So I'm adding the lihsun, just a little bit start. I won't caramelize the onion, but I will fry it till they are pinkish. And here I am adding kalo jeera and sada jeera with little bit of turmeric and little bit of salt. So I will keep this. I have to fry this, and no water should be used. And here I am removing this one and the shukno lanka. So I will fry and then I will keep it aside. Once the fried onion and garlic is little bit cooler, I will make a paste, but using this Shile Bata. Similarly, I will make a coarse paste of this fried Bombay duck or Loita mach. And now the last part. So I mix up everything and I have to place it here. And now I have to cook it in high heat till the water evaporated and it will be dried up. So I have to wait for a couple of time in high heat. I have to cook it and I'll get back. And I'm serving this Loita Bharta, making a small ball with plain rice. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Do try this recipe, and if you want to place food order, definitely you can connect me with Facebook, Instagram, Google Madhurima's Kitchen. And for the candle, as you already seen and you ordered so many candles, so you can check MaddyBee as well in Facebook, Instagram and Google. So hope you are enjoying your food as well. So thanks again.